Welcome back to Pump Info News. My wonderful people, come see the one where they happen for Anambra. They say that the governor of Anambra don't bring out heavily security armed men in order way to stop Biafra Liberation Army everywhere they did there. As that one they happen, this our brother will be say he dey talk, his name na Ogechukwu. He don't come aside. He can't tell us say that nothing is happening in Finland. The people will go there just go they play. My people, I beg I want more see this matter and share this video so that other people go to get the information. I'm going to play the videos for you to watch before we go jump inside another Ogbenge news where we still get for our hand today. As they watch, make sure they follow our Facebook page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very, very important. You're going to help us to bring more updates. Can they give for now? My people, watch the full video before we come back and continue. Don't forget to share. Very, very important.
Chego. Watch yo.
Now the moment where the securities arrive for inside Anambra State, let us also watch wetin this Okechukwu talk concerning things where they happen for inside Finland, the Biafra declaration. Watch the videos.
Back to back. The video that you're seeing now is those animals that said that they won't use their ear to hear. But I tell you, all their faces have been recorded. Imanade ekwu na okeke jere Ârmy no ka ọ gasị ala Ârmy ka ebe butu ya dị. Ngozi Orabeze is missing in action. Simon Ekpa is nowhere to be found in their redeclaration of Biafra. What they are doing there now is party. They are not telling you any agenda again. They are making party. Like they are calling for meeting, gathering. Or that is what they are doing now. They are doing gathering. But I tell you, Imana ndi Igbo tuwino se ogo onwo na achi igbu nwa nketa. Oda ni sense. I don't know the meaning in English. Somebody should translate it on the comment section. But I tell you, you see all these people. Wait, they are going to be hearing it one after the other. And most of them, their name have been marked after this because they want to really know who is those that participated on this their nonsense. Like I said, do you see them declaring anything? The answer is no. At the end now, they will tell you they just make gathering. Just to a meeting. That is what they are going to put it now. And the worst part of it that these people are still contradicting Simon Ekpa. One idiot today come out and say his boss, the prime minister. Why the guy in question in the court in Finland was denying that he's not a prime minister, that he's just an IPOB ordinary member. But they are still complicating because, you see, let me tell you people something. Europe is not Africa. You may be thinking that nobody is watching you. Let me tell you, we are living in a police country. And when we are talking about police country, we are not telling you that police will be moving around any place. But there is cameras everywhere. That is why they call it police country. Whenever you hear police country, it's not that they are going to be moving on the street. You are going to be seeing them. No. But every of your move, they are seeing everything. Allow these people. I tell you, very, very soon now we are going to be counting results. Like I told you people, some people have already been arrested by police. But they won't tell you. But we are here to tell you the truth. Very soon now we are going to count the scores. Some people will be missing. And the worst part of it is like nobody will speak. They won't tell you. But we are here to carry the news. Because we have men there. We have men on the ground. Remember that we have our unit in Finland. Where they are committing these nuisance. We have family there. And we have already put people in each place to be able to wash around. Very soon we are going to hear this course. As you remember, the general. More updates are coming. And after their new declaration, we are going to hear the results. We are here. Biafra is coming, today is 29th, isn't it? Tomorrow 30, 31st. Now we are counting down 5 days or 6 days. Biafra will come. You will sleep in Nigeria 1st of December and wake up in Biafra land. A very nonsensical people that never reason. One idiot from nowhere is deceiving all of you. And some of you are there listening. Really. Alright. I am Mazo Kinokiju, another one. This is after their re-declaration of Biafra in Finland. Remember that they are in Finland. And the Prime Minister called Simon Eba was nowhere to be found. But I want to ask this question because I want somebody to clear my doubt, because I keep on asking this question. After the re-declaration of Biafra in Finland, re-declaration state of Biafra in Finland, what have changed? That is my question. Because I have called my people down home, asking them, have they changed the institution in our land? Have the bank closed up and begin to use the names Biafra? Have they changed our representatives? What have changed? The pounds that Simon Eba have changed to dollar. Have they started using the money What is the name of our banks? You know, we have to be asking questions. Or, if now is a process, now they should come and explain to us which process are they talking about. Oh my God. You know, that is why we are here, to always ask questions. This is not a matter of Edward Canon, no. This is a matter of clearing the doubt, making people understand. And they should also come and tell us the delegates. They told us, or they said they were bragging that we should wait. The delegates are coming. And where is the Finnish president? Where is those people, what you call him, lawmakers, that are from America they have met? Oh, I don't know why some of our people cannot just understand. Well, we have already distanced ourselves from Simon Ekpa. IPOB have warned the Nigerian media to stop attaching Simon Ekpa with IPOB. And we stand on that. Like I said, back to back, I must see the end of Simon Ekpa. I tell you this, there's no two ways about it. For him to unalive our people to the extent that Simon Ekpa take the life of a pregnant woman, why the baby was agitating inside the belly till the baby also give up at the same time. We never forgive all of them. And I want you people to know, this is your last supper. All of you people, this is your last supper. And camera is watching. Some of you don't know. 2nd of December. Is it not today? Is it not tomorrow? We are here. We are here. We are here. Biafra is already here. Now we are in Biafra land. You have slept in Nigeria and wake up in Biafra land. Concussion. Amana Biafra that also. I have born on it. But we know the reason why. We know. Even though everybody know. All because of the man that we so much love. Nobody else. Apart from us and Nandikam. I tell you this. What time is coming? We know that he must survive. He will survive. And he will be out. And then they will know. Their last supper, like I said, I am Mazo Kendo Kishkudi General. I will never stop. Go and tell them.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, make sure say they share them and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. As it they hot, don't forget say it's still there for Pump Info News.